Life mastery. Means taking responsibility for yourself as thought, as image, as feeling, as memory, and as mind. You have to pull it all together. And then you have some understanding of what your soul nature is, to use all of those sort of elements or parts of yourself, dimensions of yourself, properly. See, with honor and dignity and holiness, wholeness. So that in the end, let us say, you have peace of mind. Better to have it early, so you have to pull it all together earlier, so you can live from that peace of mind, which is what I think the wisdom is all about, living from the peace of mind established or stabilized earlier in the life rather than, struggling to attain it just before you pass, because at that point it may be too late, but take it if it comes. Peace is peace. Mm-hmm. So it's good to get the young people into understanding, like some people we know who are beginners on the path of musical mastery, and they're reading the books that I have made available to them as a sense of viewing, getting a view, maybe an oversight of how their mind could work for them in a certain way if they stop thinking what they tend to think or what they're made to think because of family karma or whatever, social existence. So we're here to put these things to rest. Your emotions, your memories, all of that is not here. It's all here, but it's not here. What's here is being. See, still is here. Yeah. And if this was attained this way much earlier for good purpose, focus, and service, kindness, not telling other people what to do, encouraging those to take the path of yoga, as a way of bringing peace to yourself, not stressing yourself out, not being better than anybody else, but opening yourself up so your heart is more available to the people. So heart opening. Give space to everyone to do what they feel they have to do. Oh, that's what you have to do, you do it. It's not my business. My business is here. Keeping the peace, keeping the focus, keeping the light, channeling the spirit, see? Mm-hmm. Channeling the inner vision, see, of life mastery. It's not for everyone. It's boring for most people. But for here, for the simplicity that I have, realized, and this works for the few. For those who can understand the writings, for those who can tolerate the music, this is all part of the same thing. Right? Heart fire. See? Sound. Heart fire. Sound. Heart fire. Sound. Love always you.
Love always you.